What's up, family status? I hope everyone having a great morning, great evening, great afternoon. Today, I'm gonna show you how to grow blueberries in containers. So today, I'm planting pink lemonade blueberries in a 3-gallon container in cocoa mixed with red clay. Cocoa and red clay. So a great tip you should know before you plant your blueberries is prep your soil before planting. So how do you prep your soil before planting? All you have to do is mix some soil acidifier with your soil. So this is all you have to do. So now we're gonna mix this up. And what this does is lower your soil's pH, because blueberries like growing in soil that's 4.5 to 5.5 pH. So that's why you need soil acidifier to grow blueberries. And if your blueberries are not flourishing right now, and if you had them in the ground a year, 6 months, it's because your soil pH is too high. But if you want a phenomenal blueberry harvest, all you have to do is lower your soil's pH. So now that we have our soil ready, it's time to plant our pink lemonade blueberry plant. Check it out. This is how it came in the mail. Can't wait to find out what these taste like. Let us know in the comment section if you're also growing pink lemonade blueberries. And it's this easy to grow your own blueberries. Now what we're gonna do, we already have some soil acidifier mixed in. We're gonna sprinkle just a little bit on top before we water. And we're also gonna sprinkle some worm castings. Now we're gonna sprinkle some worm castings on top to feed it. And now we only have to do one more thing before we water, and that's add pine bark mini nuggets. You don't have to add pine bark mini nuggets to your blueberries, but we choose to do this because pine bark mini nuggets have a low pH, and they can also help keep your soil pH low. This is how pine bark mini nuggets look. And all we're going to do is just sprinkle them on the top. So another great tip if you're growing blueberries in pots is making sure you place something underneath your containers, like cardboard or a weed barrier or anything you can find to place underneath your containers. And the reason I say this is because what will happen is your roots will grow through the bottom of your containers into the ground. And guess what? We didn't prep the soil underneath our containers. We only prep the soil in our containers. So your blueberries won't like that soil pH underneath your containers. If you're growing on your patio or concrete, you don't have to do this because roots won't grow through concrete.